little learners, today we are going to start with chapter first, India, our motherland. So in this chapter, I will tell you about India, our country where we all live. Right, so let's warm up first. Here some line forms has been given to you. You have to write their names over here. So as you know that India is the part of continent Asia. Our country, India, what it is the part of continent Asia and what we call it Bharat, and it is the most populated country in the world and its population is 1.5 billion, right? So let's study about India and its neighbor now. Here you will see that Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Nepal, Bhutan, Myanmar, Bangladesh, and your Sri Lanka. These are the neighboring countries of India. So let's study about the several neighbors like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar. Sri Lanka and Maldives in the Indian Ocean, they are near India. And what are these? These are the island nations. What we call them? Island nations. And they are our neighbor also. Next is size and shape. As you all know, India, it's the seventh largest country in the world by geographical area and it stretches for 3,214 from north to south and 2,933 kilometer from east to west. And it is a peninsula because it is surrounded by water on three sides. Indian Ocean in the south, as you all know, it is in the bottom, and Arabian Sea in the west, and the Bay of Bengal in the east. People of different caste, custom, and languages live in India. If we talk about political division of India, our country, India, is divided into different states and their capital. So, how many states do we have? 28 states and 8 UT, as well as Union Territory of Pondicherry, Jammu and Kashmir, and NCT of Delhi. It has elected governments. The remaining 5 UTs, if we talk about, they are directly ruled by the center. उनको कौन rule करता है? Center rule करता है. Next, we have New Delhi, which is the capital of India, and it is also the seat of central government. किसकी सीट है आपकी? Central government की है. Largest metropolitan city है. We talk about the largest state, that is Rajasthan, and smallest state is Goa, right? And Uttar Pradesh, if we talk about, it is India's most populous state. As you know, that state of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland, Tripura, which is in northeast India, what we call them seven sister states over here. And if we talk about in 1961, Goa was ruled by Portuguese also. Here, different states and capital has been given to you. You have to learn all these states and capital. Question can be asked to you in your exams. So what you will do, you will learn all these states with their capital, right? As you all know, that Rajasthan, which is the largest state, its capital is Jaipur, and Goa, which is the smallest state, whose capital is Panadi. Most populous state, that is Uttar Pradesh, whose capital is Lucknow. These are the most important capital that you have to learn, but you have to learn all the capital. But important one I have underlined that you should know, right? And then the UT is also given. Let's move towards the geographical region of India. As you all know, India has different geographical region. We have northern mountains, northern plains, Great Indian Desert, Great Indian Plateau, and coastal plains and islands. People in India, what they do, they follow different religions. And there are different clothing for men and women. People speak different languages. They have different culture and different social tradition. Yet they're united. Right? उसके बाद भी हम क्या हैं? United है. This is the cultural beauty of India, the festival, music, dance, art and culture of the people of India are unique. In everything, if we talk about art, festival, music, dance, art and culture, all of the people of India are unique. Right? So here you can check your understanding by giving answer to this question. Now our chapter has been completed. Hope you understood each and everything. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.